Hola y bienvenidos un día más a Horizon Spanish. Yo soy Lucía.
Y yo soy Amy. Thanks for listening for those on the podcast or for watching for those on YouTube. In today's video, we have a little surprise for you, but it will be revealed at the end of the video.
Este episodio va para todas las personas que vienen de turismo a España, a visitar a familiares, a visitar el país, su ciudad favorita, todos vosotros. Y si no sabéis mucho español, aquí tenéis unas frases muy básicas que os pueden ayudar a desenvolveros.
So what Lucia basically just said was that for anyone coming to Spain to visit their favorite city or a city they've always dreamed of coming to or to visit family, then these are some great phrases that you can use to help you get by on your holiday.
Empecemos! So, we're gonna give you a few examples of how to start a conversation in Spanish.
Or respond to one if someone speaks to you.
Yes. So, you say hola,
Which is hello, which I'm sure everybody knows.
¿cómo estás? ¿O qué tal?
So, ¿cómo estás? Or ¿qué tal? means how are you?
So you respond estoy bien o muy bien, gracias.
Okay, so estoy bien means I am good, or muy bien means very good,
And gracias.
which is thank you.
If the person you're talking to is talking very fast, you can say ¿puedes hablar más despacio, por favor? Which means
Can you speak slower, please? And we'll have it on the screen. It has S on the end, which means you're speaking to someone you know.
let's say that for a more polite conversation, instead of puedes, you would say puede. The rest is the same. Another way of saying that you can't understand the person that's talking, you can say no entiendo. ¿Puede hablar más despacio?
So no entiendo is I don't understand. Puedes hablar más despacio? Can you speak slower? That was what my mum and dad taught me when we would go to Spain. They would say, okay, hola is hello, gracias is thank you, and no entiendo. So you just reply, no entiendo.
Additionally, other words that would be helpful are lo siento or perdón, which both mean
Sorry.
yes. Or if someone is talking to you and you quite didn't understand what they're saying, you can say ¿qué? ¿Perdón?
Okay.
Or ¿cómo?
Okay, so que or como is like what, and it's really fine to say que or como. Is like what did you say? Can like say it again.
That's completely normal.
Okay, so say you're at the supermarket or at a food stall, for example, and you're looking at something, there's some cheese, and you want to know how much it costs. You could say ¿cuánto cuesta? Or ¿cuánto vale?
It's very useful, as in you are in a kiosk at the seaside, at the beach, and you would like to buy an ice cream. You say ¿cuánto cuesta este helado? Or ¿cuánto vale cualquier cosa? Like anything. Let's say, for example, that you want to go to a restaurant or to a bar, and you have your partner or your families or your friends. You get into the bar or the restaurant and you would say quiero una mesa para and the number of people you are. Let's say 4. Quiero una mesa para 4, por favor.
Okay, so quiero is I want, is I want conjugated. So quiero una mesa, a table, para, for, 4, so you need to know your numbers.
But how about if you want to make a reservation? You call the number and you had to just say the same thing. I want a table for 5. How will you say that?
Quiero una mesa para 5.
If you don't say the time, they most likely would ask you. And this is how you would say. Quiero una mesa para 5 a las 2.
I want a table for 5 people at 2 p.m. So to say the time that you want, if it's not 2, it's basically just going to be a las, dos, tres, cuatro, and all the numbers up to 12, which is midnight, which they're probably not even open. But if it's at 1 p.m., for example, you would say a la una, because with the S it's plural and there's one, it's singular, it's just a la una.
If you like beer, you should ask, ¿me pone una cerveza o una caña? If you like beer without alcohol, you should ask, ¿me pone una cerveza sin alcohol?
So, me pone is kind of like quiero. You can interchange them. Me pone and quiero is basically you asking for something and it doesn't matter which one you use. Una cerveza was beer and una caña is kind of like half a pint of beer, and your beer is going to be cold, right?
Yes.
It's going to be very cold.
Yes,
and the reason you would ask for una caña is because it's so hot in Spain that by the time if you wanted a pint, it would be warm by the end. So you get a small one to finish it quicker.
Another easy one is ¿dónde está? Which is
where is.
And you just say the place you want to go to or the thing you want to visit. And another sentence that will be very helpful for you is if you want to stop someone to ask, you should say ¿puede ayudarme, por favor? Which is
can you help me, please? So puede, like we saw earlier, is can you ayudarme? Can you help me, por favor, please?
So if someone has helped you or you finish at the restaurant, as these have been some examples we've given, you will say gracias y adiós.
Thank you and goodbye, which I'm sure everybody knows. Or hasta pronto, like we say.
And finally, for all of you waiting for this moment, here it comes.
We have a very special ebook that includes all of the phrases from this video and many, many more that we are going to give away to 3 lucky winners. And the ways to win are liking, subscribing and commenting on this video, subscribing to our YouTube channel, here on YouTube for those of you watching on Facebook or Instagram. Make sure you come here, like, comment and subscribe, and we'll pick 3 winners to receive the ebook.
We hope you enjoyed the video.
And until next time, hasta pronto!